guys, welcome back to another episode of Jordan's Community Center. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at how to configure the SD2VITA plugin as well as the SD2VITA. So I have my memory card here. There is going to be a few requirements. Let me just get my stuff here out. First of all, mainly, you're going to need the PS Vita. Oh wait, sorry about that. PS Vita. You're going to need the SD2VITA adapter. Oops. Okay. Okay, and you're also going to need your laptop, a USB cable, and your you your memory card reader. So I have my memory card inserted. It's a 32 gigabyte memory card, and this is the steps you're going to be taking. So first of all, get your PS Vita ready by powering it on. So let me do that, and make sure your PS Vita is hacked as well. So guys, please like and subscribe, share this video if you're gonna enjoy it, if you are enjoying it, and also comment. Like, the like really helps us to beat the YouTube algorithm. So first we're gonna launch HAnchor. Right, make sure also on your PS Vita that you have auto plugging 2 installed as well as VitaShare. So we're just gonna start up VitaShare and press select for USB transfer. Make sure it's on USB transfer. So let's put in USB and select and let that run. And then we're also going to be plugging in our USB cable and getting that ready. Anyway guys, that's the steps for now on the physical work. Let's get to the PC side of things. Right guys, welcome back, and now we on the PC, and you'll hear my PS Vita plugging in. Here we go. There we go. And now you go into this PC. Oh, mine opens up automatically. So basically what you want to do while you're here is create a new folder on the desktop. Right click on the desktop, new folder, and name it PS Vita. Then we're gonna go on all this, copy it over, and let it copy. It'll be done. But my folder is here, as you can see already. Then I want you to go into the links in the description and download. There's a couple of download links there. Right, the first one is going to be for ZZ blank image. Here it is on the top, my desktop. Then we're going to have Win32 disk imager. So currently we're going to take our memory card and format it and stuff. So then disconnect your PS Vita and then connect your micro SD card reader. There's it there, connected. Right, don't worry about my stuff. Then we're gonna go here and wait just 1 second. Right guys, welcome back. Now we're gonna go into this PC, remove any file. So we right click it and format. Then we go into exFAT, leave it the same, default allocation size, and start, and it'll delete everything from this device. So click yeah, okay, that's done. Then we're gonna exit out of here. We're gonna select our device, or select our image first. Okay, you just press that little button, go into desktop and ZZ blank image. And how come it's not showing our devices yet? Okay, let's reopen that. My device is, let me make sure it's the right letter. Mine is I, and that is I. Press this little icon to open the image, desktop, and ZZ blank image. Then we press right. Yes. We press OK. We press exit. This basically cleans the drive completely. We click format, we default allocation size, and exFAT, and OK. That's done, and our memory card is usable. Sorry about that. Now we are going to take our PS Vita folder and copy it over. So basically highlight all, Control A, or just highlight it, open here and drag it in. While this copies, I'm just gonna see you guys later. Right guys, now my copying is done. So now on to unplug the memory card adapter, which you eject it safely, and that's done. Now going back to the PS Vita type of things, don't forget, if you don't have auto plugging, please follow my video on how to install auto plugging. I have it on my channel. Like and subscribe, share, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. Thanks. Right guys, once we are here, you input your memory card on your SD2VITA. As you can see, if I get this camera to focus, right, and then you go into your auto plugin, open it up, then we're going to Vita plugins, install plugins, and you look for storage manager and press X on it. Then it'll come up with a menu like this after it's installed. Set it as is. I have it here, or if you want you can change things around. If you have a 3G Vita, it'll be different. If you have a SD2VITA, you set it as your UXO if you want it as your main storage, and your internal on the PS Vita 2000 and the PS TV will be set as IMCO, if you can see that. Let me try and focus camera. Okay, there you go. This is if you have a PS Vita 2000. I was going to say PSP, but then we're going to save the current configuration, and then it'll say your PS Vita will restart. Before you click X on it, insert your SD2VITA and press OK. Then we just wait. Then you're going to open up your PS Vita, launch up HN Core, and let it load. We're going to wait for it to load. I'm going to be right back. Right, now we can open our Vita shell, and my memory card size was 32 gigabytes. It's around 28 megabytes, 28 gigs. So there's it there, as you can see, 28 gigabytes on our UXO on Vita shell, and that means it works successfully. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share, comment, and tell me what you think of this video. Like to help us beat the YouTube algorithm. That's all from Jordan Community Center. Thank you.